is an early morning look of the robots here. Bandai. Yeah, looks almost like a transformer, but not quite. It's more like the Japanese version. Yeah, they got all down here. The store's just full of, as you can see, different displays. Neat to see. Yeah, probably freaking expensive to buy some of these toys. I'm telling you, collectible toys, I should say. Yeah, you know, security there.